Hi, this is Chris. Today I'm going to work in my paper pillow journal, my scrap collage. I really enjoy this. It's just a way to relax. No pressure on what I make. I've made 2 so far. I was cleaning up my desk and I had all these little tiny scraps. So I thought I'm going to start in the middle and I'm going to just collage with these. And then, depending on how big it is, I'll just keep going with my other scraps. I have a box here full of scraps too. I mean, that's one thing we have plenty of when we're working with paper, don't we? We have plenty of scraps. But before I start that, I want to show you something I found at Walmart that I think is pretty nifty. And that's this little storage thing. I found it in the office supply department. It has a drawer on the bottom, and then it has these 6 little cubbies in here. And I can put in my oxide sprays, I can put in my re-inker, I can put in my water spray, I can put in my glue, but it's kind of hard to get out. I can put in my Uhu glue, and here's a couple other glue sticks. I'll probably be putting something else in there, but I wanted to show you what kinds of things would fit in there. And then there's a little bit of a tray on top too. So I'll put that right over here where I can reach it. And then this glue, I might have to put that somewhere else. So this is my art glitter glue in the little Pixie bottle. I like to keep it upside down so it doesn't clog up. So I'll be using that today, and I'll be using these scraps. And then my new little alphabet stamps that I got at Joann's, I bought these because they have numbers, and most of my other alphabets don't have numbers. So I'll put those up here for now. Alright. So I'm just going to do something with these. Got all kinds of scrappy scraps. There's probably even some cat hair in there. Okay, I think I've done just about enough of that. Not sure if I'm going to use those fibers or not. Now, let's see what we can find in this scrap bin. Actually, it'd be easier to take this out of the cover so I can turn it around. I can hardly tell anymore where the empty paper is not covered. Here, 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 all in here, some in here. So I'm just going to keep going. Of course, I'm making more scraps than I'm using up, aren't I? I want to add some more words and numbers. So I've got this box where I've collected words and numbers for a while. Oh, calendar. So it's pretty wild, isn't it? It needs a nice big word to sort of unify it. How about mud? Dogs like to run in the mud. Right. I don't like this yellow here. The dog is like smashed right up against it. So I think I'll just try something else. Okay, well that's an unusual collage. And I think it needs some outlining on it. So I'm just going to outline the outside with my Stabilo All pencil. And then we'll go from there, see what else we can do. Okay, well I don't think I've ever done a collage quite like that. It's all different types of papers on there. There's craft paper that's been printed, there's magazine paper that's glossy, there's charcoal paper that has a little bit, some charcoal marks on it. There's some, I don't know what that's called. And then there's the little dog right in the middle. So take the first step to go anywhere. And this was the first step for me because this is not the kind of collage I usually do. And that was fun, very relaxing. I enjoyed that. So I'll put that back in my book. And I'll put a date on it. So let's see. This is February. These are so tiny. They're just from a little kit that I got once for making a travel journal. So it has the months and days and things that you can use. Get it right side up. All right. Thanks for watching and have a great day collaging. Bye-bye.